Well, it's been raining heavy every day. It's let up today a little. Rooster way over there, a beautiful bird, and a chicken. And of course, Olivia is very intrigued. Meanwhile, among all this broken glass, and they have a little perfume bottle washed out. Oh, a bear aspirin bottle. It's not, super old, but this is the Old Town Dump. That's a nice one. Let's see what else is in there. I think there was something that caught my eye over here. Most of everything's broken. To come out with 2 whole bottles today, I'm happy with that. May have a whole one here. Which would be very unusual. It's a Coca-Cola. I don't know what year. It's clear, so it's not as old as the green ones, I guess. But I'll take it. Nice little surface find. It looks like the top of a compact. Has a pretty design. It's kind of hard to see on that side. Good find. Well, I got rained out, so I didn't film this, but it was bent in half, and I didn't think it was anything except, boy, did I like the shape of that. Saw that shape. You can see where it was bent in half. And it was a surface find. I did not use my metal detector. The rain's been washing things. It was an empty lot. And it says Superman American on this flag, and then it has Superman on there. And I love it. I'll have to look it up. I'll get a nice close still for y'all later.
Don't wanna end up one more broken Superman.